Hey guys, today I'm really excited because I just received this package which came a 22-piece half-inch drive impact socket set that I received for reviewing purposes.
It's a really nice set with 10 pieces in imperial units and 10 millimetric and 10 metric units, a extension bar of 5 inches, and a half-inch quick release ratchet with a neutral position, all organized in a wear resistant toolbox, which I think that it's great.
You have a impact reel or anything, you get an adapter so you can use it, which I think that it's nice. You can use it when you're working in your car to, I don't know, um, take out your tires if you're working in your car or need anything. Just have to take the right one, this, set up, you can use it in any case that you want it. You can be using it, which I think that it's really nice. You can use it when you're working in your car or any kind of project that you need this kind of sockets. I think that it's really nice, really convenient. You got them already included. All of the basis wheels have an amazing quality, which I think that it's great. You can obviously set it on a neutral mode so it doesn't move at all, which I think that it's really nice. And overall, because it's really nice, it's a really complete set that you can use it, as I've said, in many different kind of projects. I think that it's great, and overall I would really recommend that. See you guys.